evening. News for today, 9 June 2020. Me, Alagos from Lava Fera Media here brings you the latest updated news from all around the world. IAF choppers to be pressed into service for anti-locust oops. New Delhi. Indian Air Force choppers will now be deployed to tackle the locust menace. The Agriculture Ministry is importing high-powered spraying equipment that will be fitted on 5 Mi-17 helicopters for IAF for spraying on locust swarms. A higher power spraying equipment is being imported from EU to be fitted on 5 Mi-17 helicopters of the AIF. The close collaboration between different ministries, IAF, Army, Aviation Corps, and the industry will help us win against the worst locust attack in 27 years. An empowered committee is negotiating with helicopter companies and an agreement is expected soon, subject to DGCA clearance, said a senior aviation ministry official. The aviation ministry had last month allowed the agriculture ministry use of spray drones to spray for anti-locust operation. An interministerial empowered committee conducted fast-track negotiations with bidders and work orders have been issued to 5 drone companies. The drone squads will reach the hotspot Bama, Falodi, Nagaur and Bikaner early next week, said the official. In 2-3 years, as demand rises and drone prices fall, we hope to have village-based entrepreneurs who provide drone services for crop mapping, analytics, yield improvement, advising and spraying, just like people who loan out tractors, seeders and harvester combines, the official added. So we will talk about something different, such as based on coronavirus, COVID-19. So here it goes. India-China will resolve border standoff peacefully, says MFA. New Delhi, a day after Indian and Chinese army commanders met at the crucial Molto Point on the line of actual control (LAC) in Ladakh, the Foreign Ministry said both sides have agreed to peacefully resolve the month-long confrontation triggered by the industry of Chinese troops into areas patrolled by the India. 820 monuments with places of worship to reopen today. New Delhi, as a part of the efforts to reopen public facilities as the lockdown eases, Cultural and Tourism Minister Prahlad Singh Patel announced on Sunday that 820 monuments managed by the Archaeological Survey of India, which have places of worship on their premises, will be thrown open to public from Monday. This will not, however, include Maharashtra, where there are 65 such monuments under SAI because of the large number of coronavirus cases in the state. Access to monuments will be partially restored elsewhere, with Karnataka topping the list with 153 monuments with places of worship. Uttar Pradesh follows with 111 monuments, including the Jama Masjid and the Humayun Masjid in Agra, and the temples of Govind Dio, Radha Vallabh and Madan Mohan in Mathura, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu with 75 protected monuments follow with the largest number of monuments with places of worship on their premises. Thank you.